Doesn't look like we're going to have any phone signal the whole time, but oh well.
That's probably not a bad thing.
Oh wow, I'll tell you what a view we're going to have from up there. That is epic.
You can hear Tim in the background. So we're here camping basically on the Murray River, so beautiful spot. We're very fortunate. It's a Thursday night here, which is unusual for us. We're normally camping on a weekend, but it's very quiet. There's only a handful of people staying within the location, so it's going to be cold. Blue skies tonight, but yeah, good to be back in the bush. The old fire going. So Tim, what's the secret to a good fire?
A lot of wood.
So we've got a few different sort of camp setups. Obviously I've got the wagon, Tim has the ute, so when it comes to packing our gear, we approach it very differently. Tim has the luxury of throwing it all into the back of the ute, whereas I've got to meticulously pack the car. So I thought we'd do a bit of a walkthrough and show you how we do it. So as you can see, the big swag fits quite nicely into the back of the ute. The Big Daddy, yeah. Compared to mine, with the drawer set up and the fridge, it's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it does work. So in the rear of the Pajero Sport, I have a half drawer setup. That was built by Black Label Storage Solutions in Perth. It's running my Dometic 50 litre fridge, and I've got a Dometic lithium battery as well. That's just under here. I can show you that in a minute. I've also got a drawer underneath which I keep all of my pots and pans, miscellaneous stuff, and it keeps it all nice and neat and accessible for me during the trip. Got a table here, a couple of sleeping bags. I've got a clothes bag, some food, and my stove. But yeah, it's a pretty tight camp setup, but works well for what I need it to. So some decent facilities here at Charlie's Flat, and a couple of toilets, drop toilets located within the site. There's no water, so you do need to be self-contained, but yeah, beautiful location right on the bank of the Murray River. Really like it down here at Lane Pool Reserve. Spent a good few weekends down here over the years, and I think we'll be back again. Our site, for anyone interested, is number 13. Yeah, awesome trip this one, really enjoyed it. Back to Perth. Unfortunately, I think we could have easily...
Beautiful scenery with the sunlight.
Yeah, it's a great spot, mate.